Hey, your brother. How are you? Good to see you.
How you doing? Good.
Great.
Good to see you.
Great.
Good. A little tricky.
Yeah, this is gonna be fun today
Yeah,
too.
I think so. I just sent them all.
You gonna show us?
We were
something?
hoping to show you an eagle. There was actually two here a little while ago, an adult and probably.
Of New York City's water flows through this reservoir and down to New York City each day. So it's a 50 billion gallon reservoir when it's full.
See the nest if you look up towards the top. There were two eagles here a few minutes ago. Here, there is you can watch an eagle nest during.
When we left that park and that drop off, that valley to our right, it brought tears to my eyes. This is nothing less short of spectacular. It's amazing.